Tell me if this sounds familiar. You've been to all the networking events. You sponsor your kids' hockey team regularly. You are on the Chamber of Commerce. You're even active in several Facebook community groups. And yet, every month you wonder, is this the month that my business ends? Is this the month that I close the doors? If that's you, then we're going to talk today about why this is happening and how you can work towards fixing it without spending a bunch more money on advertising and marketing. So let's get into it. My name is Cynthia, and I help local businesses just like you find your community and be visible to the people that matter. And today we're going to talk about why you're everywhere except for the places that matter and how you can get there with the least amount of effort with the biggest bang. Now, the truth is, you're active, but you're active where all the other business owners are. We want to get you in front of potential clients. Those people, they're in the grocery line after a long day of work. They're at their kids' practice, running everyone around after a long days of work, or they're on their couch scrolling and brain rotting because they've had enough for the day. So the thing is, if you're not there where they're scrolling, then to them, you don't exist. Now, of course, there are the people who are driving down the street. They're looking for businesses. They're reading all of the posters in the local coffee shop. They're on the Facebook community groups. There are those people. In fact, I have a very close friend who just moved to my community 2 years ago, and she knows more about what's available in my community than I do because I'm not out there looking. If it's not online, it doesn't exist to me. So there are those people. And so you do want to continue to do those touch points, those in-person things that do work. But we also want to make sure that we're not missing this big group of people who just don't have the time, the energy, or the desire to look around. We want to find them. And those people who are waiting for the algorithm to show them that you exist, they also want to be able to go to your pages, go to your Instagram, go to your YouTube, go to your Facebook, and they want to learn everything possible about you so that they can then determine if it's worth their while to leave their home to go see you and use your service or use your product. So we want to make sure that not only are we searchable and they're able to find us and that we can find them when we need to, but also that we have all the information that they need to move forward. Where are these people? They're on YouTube, so they're on Google. We need to be searchable on Google. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, so we need to be creating content that's getting put in front of them. They're getting their recommendations from their friends. So we need to get in front of their friends on all of these places. And then, of course, with AI, everything that wherever we can be searchable is going to help us show up on that AI search as well. Now, the good news, your socials, if they are positioned properly, can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You're just creating in the coziness of your office or in your shop and posting once and reaching and hitting all of those right things. Instead of talking to hundreds of people individually, you're able to do it one time, post it, and potentially get all of them. All right, first off, how can we make sure that our potential clients know that we exist? The first thing we need to do is we need to stop creating for the algorithm. So we stop creating for the purposes of going viral. We're not worried about views and likes and all that kind of stuff. And of course, it does help, but your main priority at first is to get in front of your local community. So when we're creating our reels and our videos and our posts, we want to make sure that we are calling out our community so they can see right in the text on the screen that we're talking to them. We're mentioning their city, their neighborhoods, the things that mean a lot to them. That's going to help grab their attention in a sea of other creators when they're scrolling. The second thing is location tags. So every time you post a reel or a post, you're going to tag your location, you're going to tag your city. And then that's going to tell the algorithm who they need to put that content in front of. And then thirdly, we want to make sure that our bios reflect where we are. All too often, I will go to a creator's page, a local business's page, and there will be nothing about where they serve, nothing about their community or their city. So that should be clear and center. So when people go, if they come across us, they can see immediately, yes, this is for me. I'm in the right place. This is somewhere I can actually go and I can actually use this service or product. Secondly, they need to know why your product or service is right for them. A lot of creators will just create content that's like, here's my product, here's what I do, here's what we did today. Cool. But that's not what they need to know. They want to know, what are the frequently asked questions about your service or product that you get all the time? Number one, that's what we're answering. Next, what problem are you giving a solution to with your product or service, right? And then what does their life look like after they've used that product or service? So you're telling them, like, hey, you use this, this is how you're going to feel, this is how it's going to benefit you or your family. Number three, you need to connect with them. So you need to show them you're a real person, especially in this world of AI that we're going into. People are craving the connection. So being a real person, showing personality, not worrying about like being professional. Of course, there's an element of not being ridiculous, but maybe that's part of your brand. Maybe you're a bit of a ridiculous person, and that is going to work in your favor. We do want to tell our stories. Where did this product or service come to us? Why is it important that we are in the community that we're on? People want to connect more than ever with real people. And the more that they know about you, the more they can relate to you, and the more that they're going to want to support you when it comes to that thing that they need, that you've shown them that they need or that they're going to benefit from. To recap, they need to know you exist. They need to know why your product or service is beneficial to you, and then they need to be able to connect with you as a real person. So where do we go from here? Because I know it can be overwhelming. You hear you need to do this or you need to do that. You need to post every day. You need to dance on camera. You need to have a fancy, you need to be shooting in 4K, all this stuff. So how do you know like what is actually going to make the biggest bang? Because you're busy, you're an entrepreneur. You don't have time to be doing things that aren't going to bring big results and have that return on investment of time. So the good news is I've created a starter kit just to lay that foundation, to make sure that you have things like your bio set up properly, that you're speaking to your city in the content that you've created, and that you've positioned yourself in a way to connect with them. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure you go ahead and download it today and get started. And then of course from there, I will never spam you, but I will send you weekly emails with other content ideas to make sure that you're consistently staying visible to the right community and getting the right business from it. And I really hope that you follow along for more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next week.